In today's video, we're gonna do street photography with Nikon D3400 DSLR camera. And the lens I am having is the 18-55 AFP lens. So it's a very good lens, very lightweight lens, and this camera itself is very lightweight. Can it take great photos in street photography? We will soon find out. I will put the photos taken with this camera on the screen. So this camera has a 24 megapixel sensor and it was launched in 2016. So it's almost 6 to 7 year old camera. But right now you can get this camera used for around $200 and it takes really good photos. So I'm gonna put onto the screen the photos that I have taken with this camera. You can also check out detailed review and tutorial of this camera on my channel as well. So you saw the pictures, how the pictures were. That is for you to judge. In my opinion, it takes really very nice photos. Since this camera do not have this anti-aliasing filter in front of that, so photos are really very sharp. And the video from this camera is also full HD. You can do full HD video up to 60 frames per second. So if you want to do some cinematic video, you can do that with this camera as well. However, you cannot connect an external microphone on this camera. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, leave a comment, like the video and share it. And if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it and don't forget to press the notification icon.